Welcome to Beautyistic, where today we're diving into a product that promises to redefine your lashes and elevate your eye look, Bobbi Brown Eye-Opening Mascara. If you're someone who craves bold, voluminous lashes that don't fall flat halfway through the day, then stay tuned, because this mascara is designed to not just thicken, but also curl and lift, giving you that dramatic effect without the hassle. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on more beauty insights like this. Bobbi Brown Eye-Opening Mascara is a high-pigment, carbon black formula that promises to give your lashes a fuller, more lifted look with just a few strokes. What's interesting here is its jumbo brush, designed to coat each lash evenly while adding both volume and curl. The mascara's liquid formula is also touted for its ability to hold up throughout the day, creating long-lasting definition. Its main selling points are its ability to thicken, curl, and lift lashes, making it a go-to for anyone looking to add a bit more drama to their lash game. In my testing, I found this mascara pretty easy to incorporate into my daily routine. The formula goes on smoothly, and I was impressed by how much volume it provided in just a couple of swipes. The jumbo brush, while it may seem a bit intimidating at first, actually worked well for my lashes, giving them a fuller, more lifted look without clumping. I also noticed that my lashes felt lightweight and flexible, not stiff or overly coated, which is always a bonus when it comes to mascara. When it comes to wearability, this mascara truly shines. I wore it throughout the day and it stayed put, no smudging or flaking, which is a huge win in my book. It held up well in different conditions, from a busy workday to a casual evening out. The curl and volume didn't drop, and my lashes still looked as full and defined at the end of the day as they did when I first applied it. Now let's break it down a bit. First, the pros. The high pigment, carbon black formula is bold and dramatic, perfect for those who want their lashes to stand out. The jumbo brush delivers on its promise to lift and thicken, and I love that the mascara holds up well throughout the day. Plus, it doesn't feel heavy or crunchy on the lashes, which is a huge plus. On the flip side, there are a few cons to consider. The large brush, while effective, might be a little tricky to use for those with smaller eyes or shorter lashes. It requires a bit of precision to avoid getting mascara on the eyelids, and it may not be ideal for a more natural look. Also, some might find the formula to be a little too thick if you're someone who prefers lighter mascaras. As far as value for money goes, this mascara is definitely on the higher end, but for those who want a high-impact, long-lasting result, it's worth the investment. The formula is rich, and a little goes a long way. It delivers a dramatic look, which justifies the price tag in my opinion. However, if you're looking for a more budget-friendly option that still delivers volume and lift, there are alternatives out there, but they may not offer the same staying power or intense pigmentation. When comparing Bobbi Brown Eye-Opening Mascara to other mascaras on the market, its performance holds up pretty well. While there are certainly cheaper options that offer similar volume, the long-lasting, high-pigment formula is where this one shines. It's a solid option for anyone looking for more drama and staying power, especially if you're someone who needs their mascara to hold up all day without any issues. As for the build quality, the packaging is sleek and the product feels premium. The formula is rich without being too dry or too wet, which is something I really appreciate. Over time, I found that the mascara didn't dry out quickly either, which means you'll be able to enjoy it for a good while before needing a replacement. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments. In terms of customer support, I've had positive experiences with Bobbi Brown's customer service in the past, and they are generally quick to respond to any questions or issues, which adds a level of trustworthiness to the brand. Now, when it comes to alternatives, if you're looking for something more affordable, there are several drugstore mascaras that can deliver similar volume and curl, though they may lack the high pigment density that this one offers. If you're willing to invest in a high-end mascara, this one certainly stands out for its performance and longevity. To wrap up, Bobbi Brown Eye-Opening Mascara lives up to its claims of thickening, curling, and lifting. If you're after a dramatic, long-lasting lash look, this is a great option. It's not for those who prefer a natural finish or are looking for a budget-friendly alternative, but for those who want bold, eye-catching lashes that stay put, this mascara delivers. Thank you so much for watching. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.